worried about Rosalind.
Hell, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful. This Rosalind situation, so she don't get hurt.
So, I guess the two of you haven't been formally introduced. Dad, this is...
Nick, I know. You told me all about it. Failed to mention the, disability.
It's kind of a new thing, sir.
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue is limber.
We're here. What the hell kind of place is this?
It's the Fulci Fun Center, Dad, where all the kids from San Romero hang out after school. Look at this. I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad, what's wrong?
My little girl is a tactical genius. Your mom and me got a little something for your special day. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Daddy.
All right, I'm off.
Good luck, sir. You're gonna do awesome, I'm sure of it.
Stop sucking up, son. And don't think I forgot that tongue stuff, neither. You best watch what you do with my little girl when you're hiding in the shadows.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I think he really liked you. All right! Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick, shoot!
I can't wait to thank them in person.
I wanna play games 24/7! Hit the button faster!
Look at the zombie geek zombieing out killing zombies in video games.
If we kill them, it'll be totally meta.
New game's out today.
We better help this dude before his game is over.
Oh, I'll go all rating mature on their asses.
Metal up your ass! Metal up your ass!
Going up.
Whoa! Things just got all Commodore 64 on us.
Uh-oh, I think it thinks we're blue ghosts.
Are you ready? Start.
I guess the one thing I don't have to worry about is calloused thumbs.
Eat it up.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
Juliet, can I ask you something sort of sensitive?
Oh, yes, Nick?
My face is stuck in your butt. Can you move it a little?
Oh.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. You win! Next level.
Now seems like the perfect time to take a shopping break. God, I love shopping. I found something! Welcome to my bedroom.
Oh man, I wish I had my penis.
Time to shop! Welcome to my bedroom.
Holy shit.
Go team, go! Let's go! I wonder what they have. Let's go! Let's do this thing! My triceps are getting a total workout swinging this chainsaw around.
Are you just rubbing in that I don't have triceps? What? You gonna fuck a zombie?
No, gross! Bring them the smoke!
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking of something.
Thanks, Juliet. Totally gonna friend request you tonight.
Death metal is for pussies.
Let's go! What's this then?
I'm Joseph James, bitch!
Hey there!
Are you ready?
Let's check out these elevators.
Done and done!
All right, this is all too surreal. If a little dude in a red cap and blue overalls pops out at me, I am seriously gonna vomit all over myself.
This is great! I'm such a game geek!
And that says it all.
Stop it!
Guess I'm into some side-scrolling from time to time.
Nick, now isn't the time to be talking dirty. Not even. Ready? Okay. Undead? Okay. If it bleeds, I can kill it. They say solid colors are slimming. Does my butt look less ginormous when I'm all pink like this?
Your butt never looks ginormous, Juliet. Oh well.
1, 2, 3. Going up. And this. It's more fun killing zombies when they're in rainbow colors, huh?
It's about the same, maybe a little better.
Funky, funky. Continue.
You win! Next level.
Would I practice this alone in my room? I do it naked and get less wind resistance. I do it for the exercise. Really? Hey, zombies. Put $1 in my skirt and I won't kill you. Haha, just kidding. I'll kill you anyway.
You're supposed to throw dollar bills, dude, not bombs.
Move out on your face.
Nailed it!
Watch me do the robot, please.
Your goal.
Are you having fun?
Are you ready?
It's my turn.
Start.
That dumb wall's in the way.
Keep going. You're destroying the wall. All this retro nonsense is bugging me hardcore.
At least you'll never have to wear parachute pants, Nick, even if they come back in style. Looking good.
I am impressed.
Sweet. Chainsaw blaster. Done and done.
You win!
Lard-ass bait.
Next level.
It's nearly 9 o'clock. You should go home. I think I'm down with the sickness.
Juliet, look out overhead.
Time to shop. I found something. Well, God, I love shopping. That's it! That's it!
going down in trouble.
Killed it!
Stop it!
I need to get home.
Sweet!
How you doing?
Time to shop! There it is! There it is! Check this out! I found something! That's it! That's it! What should I get? Well,
Can you keep up?
Are you ready? Start.
Jeez, we have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Juliet, baby, no.
Are you ready?
Jeez, we have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Someone's manipulating us. Juliet, baby, no.
Are you ready? Start.
Jeez, we have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Someone's manipulating us. Juliet, I'll love you, baby, always.
Are you ready? Start.
Jeez, we have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Someone's manipulating us.
You win!
We're here, on the roof of the building. Where's my sister?
That's where we need to go, Juliet.
Rosalind?
Where are you?
Whoa, baby, time to get the fuck out.
You're the one from the phone. Give me back my sister.
What's the matter, baby? Didn't you like our phone SEXXX? That's a pity.
Let me think. Dude, give us Rosalind now. And quit making fun of Stephen Hawking. He's a great man, you perv.
I'm the pervert? You the one with a head hanging from your hip. I already told you, girlie, if you want to win your sister back, you have to play the game. Oh, baby, time to get the fuck out. Light up, please. You retarded.
What a major tool. And his UFO sucks too.
What's this then? Ready? Now it's mine. What's this then? Ready? Yeah!
I just identified an unidentified flying object, and we're freaking standing on it. A UFO? job, Juliet, but hurry! Break the next machine quickly! It's dangerous when it's glowing red. Come on, Juliet, you can do it!
Please return to your seat.
We have to destroy the barriers, quick!
Please return to your seat.
Go, go, go!
Wait, hold on. If you kill me, you never see your sister.
No!
Hey! You promised you'd give her back if we won!
You trusted what I said? I'm a mother freaking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho.
Hey, baby.
For me.
Go ahead, Juliet.
Looks like you're out of coins, weird voice guy.
May speed to Red Gate Protocol.
Excellent.